as a friend because after I saw the work that Sukumar sir and Bunny has done, I'm sorry, Allu Arjun, we call him Bunny, Allu Arjun has done, it's my pure love for them and feeling that they deserve that. But I said it with such a pure feeling and pure heart, that's why it reached you. So if you all also wish with the same pure kind of love for our film, it's going to be one of the biggest blockbusters in India, and maybe all these things will come true. Love is what matters. That's it. Thank
Devi,
you.
Alu
Devi
sir,
as
to
well
your
as
right.
Arjun.
Alu, sir.
I just want to ask you one question. Both of you have made your name as far as Telugu is concerned and in the dubbed versions also in Hindi. Why don't you take up the step of acting in a original Hindi film and you composing for a Hindi film? And the second question is, Mr. Arvind, has he not come here? Earlier he used to come quite often to Bombay and I used to meet him.
Sir, Arvind Garu has been busy producing Bollywood films and he's not, I think I should call him and tell him, start making a film with your son also. He's also a reasonable actor. uh, Good thing, sir. I'll tell Arvind Garu. Arvind Garu, there's your son who's also an actor in your house. Please do make films with him. Please take him to Bollywood. Not just you simply make, being the first 100 crores film in Bollywood and now you're making so many multiple films in Bollywood. Please, there's also one guy in your house if you want to promote him, he's available.
And at the same time, Arvind uncle, what uncle? I'm also like your son only. You know me since my childhood. You are making films all Bollywood heroes only in Bollywood. You're a hero and you're music director.
I know.
I'm also there. I
She's
work-
already. You're already doing no.
अरे no हिंदी.
पेड़ तो मैं भी बन ही सकता हूँ.
Both Arjun as
But
well as
but but
Devi.
but at this
Arjun
point,
and Devi, tell Arvind that his friend Jyoti Venkatesh asked about him.
uncle, your friend Jyoti Venkatesh Garu is very angry because you're not putting us in Bollywood films.
He misses you a lot, uncle.
But on this note, I would also, with love, say that I'm doing music for a couple of films, including Rohit Shetty sir's Circus with Ranveer and all that. So I wish you give me the same kind of love. So wish me luck so that I do more of Bollywood.
I wish I could also give a news like this, but I don't have anything like that.
No, that's totally his decision. So he can give it anytime he wants.
Arjun sir,
And the grand finale question from there.
belong to a
But
very
on,
celebrated
on a serious note, sir, out here
belong
on your
to a
right,
very
sir,
celebrated
up on your right.
family.
Up.
So did it help you in becoming a superstar so fast? Because Chiranjeevi is your uncle, and would you like to work with him in any film? You belong to a family of
Absolutely, sir. I cannot, with all humility, I cannot say that, I'm a very self-made actor. I have come from a film background, and that definitely helped me to be whoever I am. How much part of it, really helped and how much was my own can never be quantified. It's something that we can never quantify. That debate can go on forever, but I'm grateful for for the background support that they've given. Thank you.
बस आ जाओ.
But sir, in one of your earlier interviews, you had mentioned that Hindi film in your filmography is very important.
Sorry, can you be a little loud?
You had mentioned earlier that a Hindi film in your filmography is very important for you. Has there been offers that you have considered, or probably now, like you said, the lines are blurring? Do you want to do a pure Bollywood film?
Absolutely. I love Hindi cinema. Somehow I use the word, but I don't like to use that word Bollywood as much as possible because, it sounds like second to Hollywood. And hum kisi se kam nahi. Hum kisi se kam nahi. So I like to say it Hindi cinema. So even by habit, sometimes even I say Bollywood, but I keep going. I was like, no, say Hindi cinema. Hum kisi se kam nahi. um, Coming back to your question, I love Hindi cinema. I love Hindi music. I appreciate them so much. Like I definitely it'll be a great moment in my life to do a straight Hindi film, and it'll be a landmark point of my career, and I want to make it. I want to make the best choice possible. And to just answer what you said, there have been people who ask for films here and there, but nothing very excited, nothing very exciting. So I think slowly, we've been having soft talks, like if we can do something, how is it to mount up something big? Because even the people who are coming, they are also saying that when we have to come to you, we have to come with something solid. So I think once everything falls into place, I think I will try to plan with maybe little help of Allu Arvind Garu if he helps. Just a joking. I think we'll try to come up with something big and make it memorable. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for that wonderful interaction. And now, Jate Jate, Alu sir, is there something that you'd like to?
Yes, and before I leave, I'd like to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. I'd like to thank my director Sukumar Garu, who's introduced me. 2 minutes. I'm not getting up. I'd like to thank my director Sukumar Garu for making this wonderful movie with me, Pushpa. I mean, my career has taken off with the movie called Arya, and we made Arya 2, which got me a lot of recognition from all over. And now it's our third film, and I hope we hit a big, big, big hat trick with this Pushpa, which is coming on December 17th. And in my career, in my life, music plays a very huge part. And that whole music, I think I give that biggest credit to my director, music director Shri Devashri Prasad, who's been the biggest music director in South India. Today he's playing Pushpa. You know, he's given amazing music to Pushpa. Thank you so much, my dear Devi darling. All my life you have been, all my career life you've been playing amazing music. You've given me chartbusters today. You know, when Manish sir says, you know, you've given, you know, hundreds of people have received your music. There's so many millions of views on YouTube and stuff like that. A lot of big, big, big credit goes to you. Thank
All
you
my
so
love
much.
to you, Bunny. All
And
my
take
love.
me more into the people with your music. Take me more into people's hearts with your music.
Actually, thank you for all the love and trust. Always love
Thank you, thank you. No, I'm not done yet. No, I'm not done. No, I'll give. Ista. 1 minute. I'm not done yet. Yeah, I'm not done yet. 1 second, darling. I'm sorry. 1 second. And I'd like to thank my producers, My Three Pictures, and Mutham City Media for producing this movie with me. And I'd like to thank Manish Ji from Gold Mines Films for not just about releasing Pushpa, but for, you know, I think he's one of the pioneers in getting dubbing South movies into the North and making all South. I'd like to, behalf on not just Pushpa or me, on behalf of all the South Indians, for making us so popular all over the country. Thank you very much, Manishji. Thank you for taking us into the heartland of North India. Thank you so
We have
much.
to thank you for giving such good movies to us.
Oh,
And to people
thank
from
you. And
the
also
Hindi heartland.
thank you. And also I'd like to thank Anilji for, you know, distributing this movie. And if I forget anybody else, please forgive me. And above all, thank you so much, my dear Rashmika. It was a pleasure working with you. You know, everybody calls her national crush. You know, I've heard of people who are calling her national crush. So I simply cutely tease her on stage. I was like, oh, please come, Crushmika. National crush. Plus Rashmika. Thank you so much. And I hope you all like, and I'm hoping that we touch your hearts with Pushpa. We're coming tomorrow, December 17th. Pushparaj. Oh, what Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you so much for
much.
being so amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Pushpa. Okay, and now it's time for a quick photo op. Quick photo op, yes.
I promised one last question. थैंक यू मुंबई लो अरे मुंबई लो तुम तेलुगु क्या बात क्यों बात कर रहे हो हिंदी बात करो भाई बोल हिंदी రా నాకు నేనే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను యా టెల్ మీ easiest thing in this movie is taggedele. Thank you. Thank
We
you
are
very
running
much. Thank you.
short of time, ladies and gentlemen, so we have to rush. Thank you so much for being so cool. Zordar taliyan, come on.
भूख से कोई ना बचे मौत का शेर पे काबू समय का मौत पे काबू काली समय को रचे महाभूख